Christmas.
Christmas. Christmas tree.
Okay.
I love the snow. Help everybody. Oh, a bigger snow.
Holy night, silent night.
Silent Christmas time.
Okay. Construction site on Christmas night. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big
Why they're
project.
not tired? They're tired and they're not tired anymore. Yeah.
The last big project of the year. The team is slamming into gear. Sợ từng cái một con. So much is riding on the crew. They have a major job to do.
Bulldozer do what? Push the what?
Bulldozer, I think he pushed the dirt and rock.
Rock.
Special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt.
Why that's a dirt? That's not dirt. This is not a dirt. That's a rock. And this is dirt.
And this is snow.
Snow. That's right.
This important work can't wait.
The excavator dig a snow.
They get it done and make it great. Bulldozers.
Why bulldozers are angry?
Why you say it angry? Where's the bulldozer? Yeah, he's not angry.
It just was looking at the what?
He's pushing the stuff.
No,
Bulldozers.
no, he's just looking at the what?
He's looking at the rock.
Why he looking at the rock?
Bulldozer deadline is almost
Why
here
he looking at the rock?
because that's what he has to clear.
Yes.
Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed
Why he
all
like
day
happy?
because he loves to work.
Why
He
loves to
pushes
work?
hard
Daddy,
to
why he
clear
loves
the
to
way.
work?
Hey Grayson, let me done reading and then you can ask question. That's how we do it, okay?
Okay.
Don't interrupt me.
Okay.
Working at full speed all day, he pushes hard to clear the way. For hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. Any question for this picture?
Yeah.
What do you want to ask?
This and that.
Yeah, what's your question?
Why bulldozer push the dirt?
Because that's what he does.
Yeah.
That's what he does, okay?
Yes. That's a bulldozer.
He turns away to end his ship, but in his way a massive gift
What's he good?
with couple ribbon.
What's he give, Lassie?
Đây là gift đây này.
Give
Is that the gift? Is see the bow tie
for what?
for bulldozer?
For
With cable ribbon from the yard. Is topped off with a thank you card.
Cart?
Thank you card đây này.
Take a card, Lassie.
Là đây nè.
It says what?
It say thank you
It's what it says thank you.
because he did a good job. So somebody gave him a gift, right?
From who gave it?
I don't know. Let's find
Fire
out.
truck.
Let's-
Ambulance.
Let's find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, an awesome carbon steel plate, custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, bulldozer. Good night. Okay,
I excavate the turn.
okay. It's excavator turns. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me read it. Okay, and then you can ask, or you can comment or whatever. But let Daddy finish reading first.
And comment.
Exactly. Now, sit down. Excavator has no time to spare. He is rolling, digging
Can I
everywhere.
sit on your lap?
Sure. Scoop chucking at full blast. Boom.
Boom.
He ducks up the foundation fast. Clouds roll in. A brisk wind blows. A snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time.
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh.
See? Thank you. Thank you, gift that?
He's giving a.
Not he's giving the gift, he receiving the gift. He
He's
getting
receiving.
this gift, okay?
Yes.
Excavator rolls away, slowing down.
Why he's happy with that one?
He's smiling because that's a new what? New scooper.
Scooper?
Let me. As excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone left a big surprise. The cat says, "Thank you for all you do," and it sighs simply.
Why he says
From-
thank you?
Let me finish reading. What did I tell you? The cat says, "Thanks for all you do," and it sighs simply from our crew.
Why did?
Look, a shiny
Why
yellow
did
scoop.
I bring-
His old one has a broken tooth.
Why? Broken tooth, Leslie.
You see that? The broken tooth.
Why he's broken? Why he has broken tooth?
Because he works so much. Merry Christmas, excavator. Good night. So I think it's Christmas. So who giving surprise? Who giving gift? Who?
I don't know.
Santa Claus.
Call Santa Claus.
Concrete mixer has concrete too poor. He lays the foundation, walls and floor. Then he churns another load that will be used to make a road.
Road, Leslie.
Road là đường đấy. Là
For
on the
what?
road
For what?
for cars to.
And
to
trucks.
Yes. He throws.
And
He
fire
rolls.
trucks.
Let me finish reading first, okay? He throws, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chore.
Why you like the egg?
It's not an egg.
It's a what?
He rolls away to take a bath, but something sitting in his path. A giant box, his name on top. He rumbles to writing stop. No cat, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left
Baby,
a brand new drum?
I have broken this over there.
Look, that's a drum.
And that's the real one.
That's not his drum, okay? His drum is old, beat up and plain,
Drum the light.
but this one like a candy cane. Đây,
Can
drum đây này, see that?
you?
And he has a new drum. Drum này, huh?
Drum.
This the old one, there's a new one, right?
The old one. That's a good.
Beat up and old and plain.
That's what?
Hmm?
That's a new one. That's an old one.
Merry Christmas, concrete mixer. Good night. Okay. An icy wind blows in his face, but dump truck reels to keep the space. He,
Space.
to keep the space, the pace. See
The
that?
place.
Itchy. His back is sore. He ties a shoot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. As soon there's nothing left to hold, he slows his engine to a crawl. Look,
What?
He-
That's the old one.
that's a new
That's a new
in
one.
the box. See, that's a new what?
No, I don't know.
Come on,
New wheels.
new wheels. Yes.
That one, this one, that one, oh, this one, good,
New.
new.
He turns to go.
That's Santa Claus.
Yeah,
Biggie flat. That's
that's right. He turns to go, but stopped in awe. The biggest box he ever saw. He
The
blows his
Grinch
back.
in the Christmas.
He blows his stack, his engine fires. Is a fresh new set of tires. This is a new set of tires. Midnight black with tic-tac tread.
Tires.
He tucks the old one in his bed. Merry Christmas, dumb truck. Good night. With whipping wind and loads that sway, Crane Truck's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, bravely lifting firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane Truck's work is done at last.
That's one O. What is that?
That's a dump truck, and that's a rocking.
Okay.
Coming in like a rocking ball. The job's all finished.
That's a working ball.
One last stop. Crane Truck puts a star on top, but Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone left a special gift. A rock them, shock them, rocking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall.
It's red.
It's like look like a
I don't know.
candy.
Candy.
Merry Christmas, Crane Truck. Good night.
Another truck come.
It's a fire truck.
And what?
It's a fire truck.
A lot of fire trucks.
Engine drift and bells ring out. Sirens blare and air horns shout.
There's
Down the
nothing.
road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red truck arrive, driving proudly, looking fine. Bumpers, letters, all in line.
Pumpers for what?
Pumper đấy, pumper là cái bơm ấy.
For what?
To burn the water ấy. So to can put out the fire. Cars and rescue trucks joy too, bright and shiny, rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew.
Why they go back to the fire station?
Yes, because they done with their shift.
Oh.
On this
They're
nearly
done with their job.
exactly. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home
That's
built.
a good. That's a new one.
Built just right, with a joyful roar and spin. The fire trucks moved right on in, turned off ignition, settled down, and looked out at the sleepy town. Oh,
Why police car? That's a,
no police car.
that's a what?
That's a fire truck. Everything is fire truck.
That's an ambulance.
Ambulance division. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play. For all that's given and received, and all that blessed in Christmas Eve. All the trucks are tucked in time. Merry Christmas and good night. The end. Okay. Di chuyển đi.
Okay.
What book you want to read?
But I need to ask my mom.
You done with reading today?
Yes.
That's fine. Okay. Go find your mommy.